territories. Meghalaya recorded an overall voting percentage of 76.60%. Shillong registered 73.78%, while Tura stood at 81.37%. Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari informed that is the final percentage of the polls held. In 2019, the overall percentage was 71.42%. Shillong had 65.48% and Tura 81.38%. Tiwari informed that the elections have been completed peacefully throughout the state and there was no report of violence from any part of the state.
I am very happy to inform you that elections for 18th Lok Sabha is being completed very peacefully and election has been conducted very smoothly. In each and every district, polling parties have reached safely and no incident anywhere, and all the elections happen in very peaceful and very festive manner. So everywhere there is no law and order problem, no any other incident, and all the election held very peacefully.